Hello and welcome to, or welcome back to, the channel of the Nasdaq scalping bot. It's a Python program that is made to do some automated trading on the Nasdaq with the goal to have some passive income. And in a daily report, I show you guys what did I change in the code, how did the bot do, and how are we doing on the market. And we're still testing the AI and the AI capabilities. So let's see how the responses were for today. And as usual, we start in the code. So let's grab the code and you'll see we are in the logging pie. And I was looking at the logging pie if I could find something what is not right. That's what I'm looking for. The log contract end should update the status, the profit loss, the new balance, and the market condition, and if the AI was correct or not correct. But let's take a look at the AI data. It logs the start with the contract ID, the timestamp, everything on it. Downtrend, high, the trend, downtrend, volatility, all good and solid. And then it says the take profit as in how it's closed. And it's always take profit. It's not correct, but I will take a look at it. But then the status and AI correct is always false and not available. So I guess that the AI logging, the log contract end, is not executed, or that whatever in the code of in the function of the log contract end is not executed as it should be. And I was looking at it if I could find why it is not doing what it's supposed to do. And I could not kill the bot to restart because I had to make the video first before I'm gonna kill anything. And on the first glance, if I'm looking at, then I see that there is an update of the caches with the status. There's the contract end, the profit loss, the new profit balance, and the list with fetch candles that it needed to create or to calculate the market condition end, and it also needs if the AI is correct. And neither of those I see in the contracts data. I can take a look if, no, because I see that we have made a €5.61 as a new balance, and this balance was 500, and then a balance of minus, a profit loss. Yeah, profit loss. A profit loss of €2.93 sounds reasonable, but a profit loss of 500, no, and then a profit loss of €5.61. So something is not right in the entire, not in the entire, but in the last part of log contract end. And I will take a look at it as soon as I'm ready with this video and I can kill the bot and see how and what did happen. What did happen today in the bot was it functions, except for the logging that is not exactly going as I had planned it. So I need to take a look at it. But at least it opened contracts and it obviously closed contracts when there was a stop loss triggered. So in that case, the bot does what it should be doing, but I don't get the information I need. So it's all nice and good that the bot is working and that the AIs make high confidence 76 and 96% decisions and say, yeah, okay, this should be a sell or this should be a buy. I believe I had only sells today. Yeah, sell, sell, and sell. But if I cannot verify if this is actually being profitable, then the data is useless. Of course, like you see, we have only 3. That means that we had a slow market, and it's easily to check, and that's what we're going to do right now, is going to the market. And if we look at the market, we see we had this is the 1 hour. Let's go to the 5 minutes. You can see we had a very slow market. Today, again, it was in a downtrend, but not much action. And if I'm going to take a look at the reports, then we had some reports, and the only blue number I see is 32 cents. And then the other 3, those 3 we saw in the code. Whoa, what's going on? Keep with me. Yeah, okay. We see we had 3 losses of 325, 309, and 268. Which means that let's take the code with it together, that if they say it's a sell with a high confidence, for today, the 3 openings that we see are not profitable at all. We are in day 3 of this week, but the first 2 days I had problems like now again with the logging. But yeah, we need some more information. But with a slow market, for today, not a problem because we had an error anyway, so I need to look at it, why we don't get the information I need. So it's not a problem. But with the slow market we had today, we see that the bot does not make any profit. And that's not good. Slow day on the market, nothing much to do with the bot, and nothing we can do right now. So, short video. I don't think we reached the 5 minutes. I'm sure after editing. It's a short one, but sometimes we have short videos and sometimes we have longer ones. And for today, we had a short one. So, like, subscribe, and have a little fun every day. See you guys tomorrow.